It's alphabet story time with me, Skippy, and Lolly.
We will be talking about the letter A. Look at the red arrow, and this is how you sign the letter A. The title of today's story is Astonishing Adventures in Animal Alley. Once upon a time, in a little charming town, there was an amazing place called Animal Alley. This avenue was adorned with apple trees and adorned with cheerful animals who loved to have amazing adventures. One day, an adventurous anteater named Andy decided it was time for a picnic. He invited his adorable animal friends, Amelia, the agile squirrel, Alex, the amazing alligator, and Annie, the affectionate rabbit. They all gathered near the apple trees, excited to share an appetizing meal. Amelia brought a basket full of apples, while Alex brought avocado sandwiches. Annie carried a bag of crunchy carrots, and Andy proudly displayed an array of appetizers. They spread out a colorful blanket and began their delightful feast. As they ate, they noticed an airplane in the sky, dropping small packages with colorful parachutes. The animals were astonished. They wondered what could be inside those packages. Andy, being the bravest, decided to investigate. He opened one of the packages and found an amazing assortment of art supplies. Excitedly, they all started creating amazing artwork. Amelia drew a spooky apple, while Alex painted an alligator playing basketball. Annie sketched a lovely garden with flowers, and Andy created an adventurous anteater exploring the woods. Their art sessions were so enjoyable that soon even more animals from Animal Alley joined in. There was an artistic armadillo, adorable ants, and even an artistic aardvark. The animals painted and drew, laughed and played, creating an atmosphere of absolute amusement. With hearts full of happiness, the animals decided to have an art show right there in Animal Alley the next day. They used the remaining art supplies to decorate their charming avenue with colorful banners and amazing artwork. The whole town gathered in Animal Alley to admire the art. The animals beamed with pride as they showed off their masterpieces and explained the stories behind each one. And so, in the charming little town where apple trees adorn the amazing Animal Alley, the animals prove that when they come together, they can make the world around them even more astonishing. Kids, did you enjoy this story, Astonishing Adventures in Animal Alley? Because I did. Do you remember what happened in the story? Okay, let's see what we remember. What did Amelia bring to the picnic? A, a cluster of bananas. B, a box of blueberries. C, a basket of apples. C, a basket of apples. Good job. What did Annie bring to the picnic? A, a bag of carrots. B, a barrel of pickles. C, a container of milk. A, a bag of carrots. Excellent. What was in the small package that dropped from the sky? A. Apes. B. Astronauts. C. Art supplies. You're correct. C. Art supplies. What artwork did Alex create? A. Elephant jumping rope. B. Alligator playing basketball. C. Tiger running track. B. Alligator playing basketball. Good job. What artwork did Andy create? A. Orca in the ocean. B. Crab in the sand. C. Anteater in the woods. C. Anteater in the woods. Keep going. What animals joined the art session? A. African elephant, anaconda, ape. B. Armadillo, ants, and aardvark. C. Antelope, alpaca, and aardwolf. B. Armadillo, ants, and aardvark. You guys did an excellent job.
Hey kids, now we can do artwork together by coloring or painting this letter. Ask your parents or an adult to download and print the free worksheet of this letter in the description box. Look at my letter. Look at all the beautiful colors I used. You can be as creative as you want, like me, Skippy. Okay, kids, I had fun, and I hope you had fun too. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.